Hello, my name is Diana Orozco. Today is April 18, 2019 at around 9:30 p.m. Well, I am here to address two issues that have been in the minds of all the citizens of Burbank as of a few days ago. Well, first of all, the sightings of the dragon. Yes, we have a dragon in our midst, but as citizens of Burbank, I urge you to continue to be the great citizens that we've always been, welcoming and accepting of all people and creatures that call Burbank their home. As of now, we, in conjunction with the Los Angeles um, Zoo, have been feeding the dragon and keeping it in a safe environment outside, just outside of the Burbank city limits. He has been evaluated by the many scientists and veterinarians that are part of the Los Angeles Zoo. He will continue to be friendly as long as we keep our distance and we do not feed the dragon. Please do not approach him, do not feed him, and do not disturb him. The dragon will remain a Burbank citizen for as long as we keep him a friendly dragon. Also, the eruptions that have been happening to the volcano. The volcano has been spewing lava and hot ashes. We know that we have population that it is being treated for asthma related complications as well as respiratory distress or respiratory complications. Please, if you have family members that are in this group of frail people that need special attention, special medication, or that do become distressed to the point where they need medical attention, please take them to St. Joseph Hospital and please do not saturate the lines of the 911 system anymore. We know that we have many wildfires due to the ashes and the magma that have been spewing from the volcano. Please, I urge you to continue to support our fire department, our police department here in Burbank, taking any or all of the supplies that you can to them, like water, sports drinks, or anything that can be served as we continue to work harder in order to maintain Burbank, the beautiful city that has always been. Also, if you have the need of counseling, of any more special attention, and you are turned away from St. Joseph's Hospital, there are triage set up in all the schools. For example, John Burroughs High School and Burbank High School. Also, the middle schools and the elementary schools are being served as counseling spots and triage points, as well as water and emergency food suppliers. I continue to thank all the citizens of Burbank for the wonderful hospitality to our most recent creature that has chosen to have Burbank as its home. Thank you very much.